Hey, it's JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and the jungle survival. What do we have here? A Knipex Cobra XS pair of pliers. You might be wondering, why do I have this? Because in the previous video, I talked about how this pliers wasn't really suitable for the average person for EDC. Well, I got so many comments, I decided before I criticize it even more, I should actually get it and try it, and that's why I have it. I bought it and I'm currently on a challenge to carry it for a month. And I'll share with you my results in a future video. Today I'd like to share with you an upgrade for the pliers in the form of a sheath. Pretty cool. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description, and you can even join the channel as a member. Thanks a lot. Alright, let's take out the pliers. You're already familiar with this tool, so I'm not going to talk about it, but it's an awesome tool in its own right. And if you really want a good pair of pliers, I think it's a really good pair. Just my contention is, should you EDC it? But that's not the discussion today. Let's talk about this upgrade. And this is it. It's a sheath. It's custom designed by Cobra Sheath. It's 3D printed, and it's just like a Kydex sheath for a knife, but for your pliers. Check that out. Friction fit, very strong, and it's really custom designed around the pliers, which is really cool. Now, I believe he offers this for the other sizes as well. Do check out his Instagram and Etsy page. I've left the links in the description, and you can check it out. So let's have a look at this. So there is a belt clip over here, and he provides you with other clips as well. That's pretty handy if you want to switch them out. This really is, I guess, based on your preference in terms of the tension of the friction grip of the clip when it's on a belt. And those uses really small Phillips head screws. So easy matters to switch them out. Now this goes on a belt, so I've got a nylon strap here to act as a makeshift belt. Of course, this can go onto your pack as well, or any kind of pouch, and that goes on just like that. And this particular grip is pretty strong. It is not going anywhere. So that's pretty good. Now let's talk about how to unsheath the pliers from the sheath. So in the instructions provided, you're supposed to straddle underneath like that with your fingers and use your thumb and just press down. Now, I personally don't think this is the best way to do it, because your fingers underneath, after you unsheath it, you don't really have much control because you're just clipping it between your fingers. Furthermore, if you're going to wear this on your belt, how are you going to put your fingers inside? So to me, what makes more sense is actually just to do the reverse. Grip it from above, use your thumb, press it, and now you've got a good grip, because immediately you can transfer it to a usable position in your hand. So that's it. And then to put it in, just push it in, and that fits really well. All right, let's take this out, and let's have one last look around. I think this is a great idea. In fact, Cobra Sheath has many different ideas. If you do check out his Instagram page, I believe I saw a pair of soft grips where he's actually designed something that fits over the teeth of the pliers, so that if you have to grip something that you do not want to leave marks on, you can put that on. So that's pretty neat, I thought. So do check out his page and let me know what you think about this Cobra Sheath. Now, if you do want to buy it, you can just check it out, and you can use the promo code Urban Knife Guy. You get a discount when you buy it. So just a little thank you to you guys for watching this. But let me know your thoughts on the sheath, and let me know if you carry your pliers in your pocket, in a pouch, or on your belt. I'd love to hear from you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.